ॐ चैतन्यं सर्वगं सर्वं सर्वभूतगुहाश्रयं यत्सर्वविषयातीतं तस्मै सर्वविदे नमः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। 17th chapter of Upadesha Sahasri, Samyang Mati Prakaranam. In this, Atma is Jnana Swarupa, which was explained in 41. It is Drashta, Aparoksha. It does not become Vishaya. It is Avikari. And there is no Nanatva. It is not Heya, not Upadeya. And it alone is within and without. Sabahya Bhyantaraha. Devoid of old age, birth, death, etc. And in this, Atma, because there is no Varna Ashrama, therefore, karma is not possible. It is Varna Ashrama Rahita. So from 45th shloka now, why these Varna Ashrama are not there in Atma, and therefore why for a Jnani there is no karma, that is being explained. Tika of 45 introduction, page 230. Atmano adhyasam vina na varnitvadi asti iti atra yuktim aha. In Atma, unless there is adhyasa of some anatma, adhyasa means superimposition, that Atma does not have varnitva, means varnitva, ashramitva. There is no varna for Atma. Whenever someone thinks I belong to a particular varna, ashrama, avastha, it is all when some anatma is superimposed on Atma. In other words, they are erroneous. When jnanam takes place, adhyasa is removed. When adhyasa is not there, varna, ashrama, avastha will not be there. Therefore, for jnani, who is Brahma Swarupa, who is devoid of varna, ashrama, avastha, has no karma. This is the yukti. Purvadeha parityage जात्यादीनां प्रहाणतः देहस्यैव तु जात्यादिस् तस्याप्येवं ह्यनात्मता पूर्वदेह परित्यागे जात्यादीनां प्रहाणतः देहस्यैव तु जात्यादिस् तस्याप्येवं ह्यनात्मता. पूर्वदेह परित्यागे जात्यादीनां प्रहाणतः देहस्य एव तु जात्यादिः. This is one sentence. तस्य अपि एवं हि अनात्मता. There is no other अन्वय. Whatever is given, exactly the same. पूर्वदेह परित्यागे. When पूर्वदेह त्याग is done, whatever my varna, ashrama, avastha were there of that deha, they all are gone. My jati, kula, gotra, nakshatra, everything is gone. In other words, it belonged to that deha, not Atma. It actually does not belong even to Sukshma Sharira. Jati, Kula, Gotra, Nakshatra, Varna, Ashrama, Avastha, none of this belongs to even Sukshma Sharira, let alone Atma. So when that body drops, all of that goes. Next body, everything is fresh. So Jatyadinam Prahanatah Dehasya eva. In other words, even Purva Mimamsaka believes that Varna, Ashrama, everything, Jati, Gotra, Nakshatra, all of this belongs to only Sthula Sharira. And they accept Sthula Sharira, Sukshma Sharira, Adhyasa, and they do karma. We say we are having Adhyasa of Sthula Sharira and Sukshma Sharira with Atma. And therefore, once you have Jnanam, Adhyasa will go. In their case, Jnanam does not remove Adhyasa. In the sense, they will continue to do karma. So, Jatyadinam Prahanatah, Prahanatvat. Dehasyaiva tu Jatyadihi. Jatyadi, they belong only to Deha. They don't belong to Atma. Dehasyaiva tu Jatyadihi. Therefore, Tasyapi evam hi anatmata. And Deha is Anatma. So since Deha is Anatma, all of this has nothing to do, the Jati, Varna, Gotra, etc. They have nothing to do with Atma. Atma is ever free, ever untouched, unaffected. See Tika. देह परित्यागे तद अनुरक्त जातेरपि परित्यागात् आगमापायित्वेन न जात्यादेर आत्मधर्मत्वं किंतु देहस्यैव जात्यादिर धर्मः. देह परित्यागे, when deha tyaga takes place, then jati adi which are associated with that deha, it is just like the age. Ayuhu. Ayu is associated with body. Linga is associated with body. Or you take modern like your Aadhaar card or any other number that you have with which you transact, all of that is Anatma only. It belongs only to the body. Tad anurakt jate he api parityagat agamapayitvena. न जात्यादेः आत्मधर्मत्वम्. They are not Atmadharma because they are belonging to Deha, and they are Agamapayi. Agamapayittvena न जात्यादेः आत्मधर्मत्वम्. आगमश्च अपायश्च इति आगमापायौ. Then tasya bhava agamapayittvam. Tasya bhava tattvam. Tena agamapayitvena. So all this belongs to Deha. This thinking itself will keep me away from associating with Varna, Ashrama, etc. Tarhi Deha eva Atma astu iti ataha. Then somebody says, okay, then let Deha be Atma. So it is said, no, tasyapi evam hi anatmata. Evam agamapayitvena. Evam agamapayittvat eva dehasya api anatmata. Because that which is agamapayi is anatma. Deha is also agamapayi, and Varna, Jati, Kula, Gotra, all of them, they are also agamapayi. So they are anatma. Dehasya api anatmata ityartha. Dehasya jatyadesha वर्णित्वादिना प्रकारेण कर्माधिकार हेतोः अभावात् आत्मनो न स्वभावतः कर्म कर्तृत्वम् उपपद्यत इति भावः. देहस्य जात्यादेश, body as well as this its dharmas like वर्णित्वादि, जाति आदि etc. वर्णित्वादिना प्रकारेण कर्माधिकार हेतोः अभावात्. वर्णित्व, which varna, ashrama, etc. Varnitvadi, they belong to Deha. Varnitvadina prakarena, of being of this nature. Karmadhikar hetoho abhavat. So because of jati adi and varna adi, there is karma adhikara. When jati adi and varna adi are understood as belonging only to body, not to me, the Atma doesn't have karmadhikara. Karmadhikara hetoho abhavat. Atmano na swabhavatah karma kartritvam upapadyate. Atma will not have swabhavatah karma kartritvam. So Atma is not doing karma on its own because it doesn't have varna ashrama. When adhyasa is done on Atma, then that adhyasta anatma will bring varna ashrama etc. Then I will do karma. This prahana shabda, pra is the upasarga. Then what is the dhatu? Ha dhatu. Then how you will get prahana shabda?
त प्रत्यय स्वामी जी। त त प्रत्यय।
त प्रत्यय will not give न, हा न. It will give hata. Han dhatu will give hata. Ha dhatu, you will have to have an pratyaya. Yuvoranakau is the sutra. Yuvoranakau will give an adesha. Then you have pra ha na. Then how prahana will become prahana?
अट्कु वांग नुम अव्यवायेपि।
No, atkupvangnum vyavayepi. That sutra says rashabhyam nona samanapade. It should be samanapada. Here pra is upasarga. It is not part of the pada. It is different. So that sutra will not do nakara into nakara. There is another sutra, krityacha, that will do prahana. Pra upasarga, still it will make it prahana. In the same way, like parimana, mang mane dhatu, lut pratyaya, if you do an, then parimana will become parimana. Same, krityacha sutra. Note down 8429. An pratyaya through yuvoranakau 711. So adhyasa with anatma makes all this varna ashrama. Then there is karma adhikara. Otherwise there is none. Karma kartritva is also not swabhavatah in atma. It is only through adhyasa. शरीरादिषु आत्मीय अभिमानस्य प्रसिद्धत्वेन हेयत्वा योगम आशंक्य आह. शरीरादिषु आत्मीय अभिमानस्य प्रसिद्धत्वेन. In शरीरादि आत्मीय अभिमान is प्रसिद्ध. Sharira is atma, and therefore heyatva ayogam. So then somebody says, how will give this up? I am sharira, this abhimana, because this is everybody's thing. Everybody begins with this abhimana only. So you cannot give this up. Because you cannot give this up, therefore you should do karma. Purvapakshi is saying. Siddhanti says, mamaham chetyato vidya शरीरादिष्वनात्मसु आत्मज्ञानेन हेयास्या दसुराणामिति श्रुतेः. ममाहं चेत्यतो विद्या शरीरादिष्वनात्मसु आत्मज्ञानेन हेयास्या दसुराणामिति श्रुतेः. शरीरादिषु अनात्मसु ममाहम च इति अविद्या. अतः, you have to begin with अतः शरीरादिषु अनात्मसु ममाहं च इति अविद्या आत्मज्ञानेन हेया स्यात्. और आत्मज्ञानेन हेया असुराणाम इति श्रुतेः स्यात्. हेया स्यात् असुराणाम इति श्रुतेः. असुराणाम इति श्रुतत्वात्. श्रुतेः is पंचमी. Siddhanti is explaining, teacher says, Atmajnanena avidya heya. With the help of Atmajnanam, you have to remove avidya. Heya means you should give it up. Which kind of avidya or what is the specific nature of avidya here? Shariradishu anatmasu mamaham buddhi. In sharira, etc. Sharira, indriya, prana, mana, buddhi, in all these anatma, aham mama abhimana, you have to give up. I am deha, or mine is this body, I am indriya. Nobody says I am indriya. But if indriyas are vikala, something is not functioning, then I feel I am vikala. And then either I say my mind or I am. My buddhi, to rarely we say, because we identify with buddhi a lot. So all of these, in them, anatma abhimana is there. Atma jnanena, this form of avidya should be destroyed. And those who have atma buddhi, aham and mama buddhi in dehadi, they are asuras. Asuranam hi esho Upanishad. This Virochana, this is, Shruti says, this is Asuri Upanishad. When he went and told his praja, this Deha is Atma. Put it with nice clothes, nice alankara, decorate it nicely. He says, this is Anatma. This is Asuri. Even at the time of death, there are cultures where they decorate this body nicely and put all the alankara, and they think this person is going to use them when they go up. Now, with the help of Atma Jnanam, if this Mama Aham Abhimana in Sharira, in Anatma, will go, then Varna Ashrama Abhimana will not remain. Then, therefore, I don't have to do karma. This is the connection. So, Atma Jnanam is of this nature. I am not the body, I don't have the body, and body is mithya. I don't have indriyas, I am not indriya, indriya are mithya. I am not mind, I don't have mind. So neither aham manaha nor mama manaha. And mana is mithya, mano mithyatva. In this way, constantly I have to think about it. When we do this, other desires will go away. I want this, I want to accomplish this, I want to achieve this. All of those desires will go away because you don't have any incompleteness. यत आत्मनि आगमापायाभ्याम अनात्मत्वम देहादेर निश्चितम अतो हेतोः शरीरादिषु अनात्मसु ममाहम च इति अभिमानो अविद्या मिथ्या प्रत्ययः सात्मज्ञानेन आत्मतत्व ब्रह्मानुसंधानेन हेया स्यात् बाध्या स्यात्. Yatah, since Atmani Agamapayabhyam, in Atma, because of Agama Apayitva is there of the nature of Anatma, Dehadi, Anatmatvam, Dehadehe Nishchitam. All whatever comes and goes, आए जाए सो माया, देहादेहे निश्चितम, अतः हेतु हो, अस्मात् हेतु हो, फॉर दिस रीजन शरीरादिषु अनात्मसु मम अहम च इति अभिमानो अविद्या, दिस इज अविद्या. इन शरीरादि अनात्मा मम अहम अभिमान, दिस इज मी, दिस इज माइन, दिस इज घोर अज्ञान. देहात्म बुद्धि is the strongest. So to remove that much effort is also needed. मिथ्या प्रत्यय है. मिथ्या प्रत्यय means erroneous notion, false notion. सात्म ज्ञानेन आत्मतत्व ब्रह्मात्मानुसंधानेन, सात्मज्ञानेन आत्मज्ञानेन सह, सात्मज्ञानेन. सो आत्मज्ञानेन सह आत्मतत्व ब्रह्मात्मा अनुसंधानेन. You have to do brahmatma anusandhanam. In other words, this thinking has to go on. So Shravanam, Shraddha will make you do Shravanam. Shravanam will be followed by Mananam. When Shraddha is there, I will go on reflecting it. When I go on reflecting it, then Dhyatra Dhyane Parityajya Kramat Dhyayeka Gocharam Nivat Deepavachittam Samadhira Vidhiyate. Then slowly my mind will be in this Samadhi Avastha. Then Brahma or Brahmakar Vritti will remain most of the time in background. Brahmatma Anusandhanena Heya, Avidya should be renounced. Heya Syat. Heya means Badhya Syat. It will become negated. Satyatva Buddhi will not be there. Dehatma Drashtehe Asuratvena Ninda Shruteshcha Ityaha. Dehatma Drashti is called Asuri. Asuratvena Ninda Shruteshcha. And therefore its Ninda is also heard. How? Asuranam iti. Asuranam hi Eshopanishad. In Chandogya Upanishad, this is said 885. Virochana and Indra, when they go to Brahmaji, there this comes. In other words, earlier also in Upadesh Sahasra it was said, someone says, I am Brahma, and also has this Dehatma Abhimana, Kartritva Bhoktritva Abhimana. Both cannot coexist. Either you are not Brahma or you are not Karta Bhokta. तत्वज्ञानाद ऊर्ध्वम न कर्म न वा तत्प्रयोजकम जात्यादि आत्मनो अस्ति इति एतद् दृष्टान्तेन साधयति. तत्वज्ञानाद ऊर्ध्वम, आफ्टर द सेल्फ नॉलेज, तत्वज्ञानम, there is no karma, there is no karma prayojaka like jati, varna, ashrama, avastha ityadi or kula, gotra. Jatyadi atmano na asti. They don't belong. Why? Because it is like this. All abhimana, jati, varna, ashrama, kula, etc., they are here in anatma. This is atma. Because of adhyasa, I feel all the problems or not problems, all the attributes, all the guna, they belong to atma. When jnanam comes, this adhyasa is separated. I know this is Anatma, this is Atma. They are separated. When they are separated, then I know there is nothing together. And therefore, I don't do anything with Anatma. In that there is Drashtanta. Drashtantena sadayati. Dashaha shauchakaryanam parivrajye nivartanam यथा ज्ञानस्य संप्राप्तौ तद्वज्जात्यादिकर्मणाम् दशाः शौचकार्याणां पारिव्राज्ये निवर्तनम् यथा ज्ञानस्य संप्राप्तौ तद्वज्जात्यादिकर्मणाम्. If a person dies, then for 10 days there is ashaucha karya. That is called dashaha ashaucha karya. Dashaha means 10 days. You cannot do this, you cannot do this, etc. Restrictions are there because there is impurity, they say. If a sannyasi dies, there is nothing. Literally, there is no ashaucha palanam needed. In our ashram, when a sannyasi dies, they make sweet. Because there is nothing. This is a celebration only. Vimuktasya vimuchyate. Already liberated, now his prarabdha is also over, gone. So for a parivrajaka, for a sannyasi, such ashaucha karya is not required when he dies. In the same way, when knowledge has taken place, then jatyadi karma, because of those abhimana, are not there. They are all eliminated. See the anvaya of the shloka. Dashaha shauchakaryanam parivrajye nivartanam yatha tadvat. So yatha you can put in the beginning. Yatha dashaha shauchakaryanam parivrajye nivartanam tadvat jatyadi karmanam jnanasya sampraptau nivartanam. When a person has taken parivrajya, then dehabhiman is not there. So neither nobody around will have to follow dashaha shaucha. Dashaha ashaucha karya means he doesn't have to do any specific things for cleanliness. In the same way, when jnanam takes place, jati adi abhimana is gone, their karmas are also gone. You don't have to do anything. Parivrajya sati sapindita abhimana abhavat sannyasino yatha ashaucha आदेहे अननुष्ठेयता. अशौच आशौच नहीं, अशौच. Ashauchadi is not there. Therefore, ananushteyata. You don't have to do specific anushtanam to remove that ashaucha. Tatha, in the same way, Brahmatma Jnanasya Sampraptau, when Brahmatma Jnanam takes place, Jatyadi Abhimana Abhavat, Jatyadi Abhimana is not there. He says, I don't have any Varna, Ashrama, Kula, Gotra, etc. Vidushaha Karmanusthana Abhava Ityarthaha. For a Jnani, Karmanusthana Abhavidya. He doesn't have to do any karma. There is no Abhimanam anymore. So this is what I have to attain. And for this, nobody else will know whether I have Deha Abhimana or not. As it was explained in the previous chapter at the end. How I don't have Deha Abhimana in somebody else's body. If they are going through some suffering, I will not think I am going through it. How I am able to keep myself distanced from their physical body, like that, if I am able to keep distance from this physical body, this mind, this is not me. This is called jnanam. This is wisdom. And this exam only you will have to give, means each individual will have to give, and each individual will test and correct his or her exam paper. Nobody else has to certify. You don't have Deha Abhimana, you don't have Jati Abhimana. I will have to understand. So if I think this is my body, somebody else's body is that Abhimana is there, I have to separate myself. जात्यादि अभिमान भावाद विदुषः कर्मानुष्ठान भाव इत्यर्थः यस्माद् एवं आत्मनो ब्रह्मात्मत्व अज्ञान मूलो देहादि अध्यास निबंधनः संसारस् तस्मात् तत्वज्ञानात् प्राक् कामादि युक्तो धर्माधर्म द्वारा संसरति यस्माद् एवं सिंस दिस इज द केस आत्मनः ब्रह्मात्मत्व अज्ञान मूलो Brahmatmatva ajnanam of one's own self, that I am Brahma, this jnanam is not there. Ajnana mulo dehadhyasa nibandhana. Because of this ajnanam comes dehadhyasa. Dehadi adhyasa nibandhanam yasya samsarasya saha samsaraha dehadyadhyasa nibandhana. Dehadi adhyasa means all anatma adhyasa. Adhyasa means I have erroneously understood all this Deha, Indriya, Prana, Mana, Buddhi, they are me or they are mine. This is called Adhyasa. Aham idam, mama idam, iti naisargikoyam loka vyavaharaha. This is Adhyasa. This is who I am. This is mine. In Bhagavad Gita, how Bhagavan Bhashyakar says, Aham esham mama ete. This is Adhyasa. This is the karanam for entire Mahabharata. Means all problems arise from this. And because of that, tasmat tattva jnanat prak. And therefore, before tattva jnanam, kamadi yuktaha purushaha dharma dharma dvara samsarati. Associated with kama and karma, he will get dharma dharma and there is samsaranam. Brahmatma jnane cha sati kamader abhavat mukto bhavet ityaha. And when Brahmatma jnanam takes place, I know I am infinite reality, then there is no sense of incompleteness. Because there is no incompleteness, therefore there are no desires. Therefore he is mukta. Mukto bhavet. Ityaha yat kamastat kratur bhutva कृतं त्वज्ञः प्रपद्यते यदा स्वात्मदृशः कामाः प्रमुच्यन्ते मृतस्तदा यत्कामस्तत्क्रतुर्भूत्वा कृतं त्वज्ञः प्रपद्यते यदा स्वात्मदृशः कामाः प्रमुच्यन्ते मृतस्तदा यत्कामस्तत्क्रतुर्भूत्वा अज्ञः तु कृतं प्रपद्यते यदा तु स्वात्मदृशः तदा कामाः प्रमुच्यन्ते तदा अमृतः मीन्स अमृतो भवति because the shruti is there यदा सर्वे प्रमुच्यन्ते कामा यस्य हृदि श्रिताः अथमर्त्यो अमृतो भवति so here only amrita is only that much is there अत्र ब्रह्म समश्नुते कठोपनिषद and Brihadaranyaka also has this mantra I think for whom swatmadrishaha. So this is the second line, Uttarardha. Purvardha says, Yat kamas tat kratuhu. स यदा कामो भवति तत् क्रतुर् भवति यत् क्रतुर् भवति तत् कर्म कुरुते यत् कर्म कुरुते तद् अभिसंपद्यते. In this way, there is a connection. Kama, kratuhu, karma, phala. First, everything starts with kama. I want this, I want this. Then tat kratuhu. Tat kratu means sankalpavan. He will have sankalpa. I have to do this, but somehow I am going to make it happen. Kratuhu. Then स यदा कामो भवति तत् क्रतुर् भवति यत् क्रतुर् भवति तत् कर्म कुरुते then he will do the karma then phalam abhi sampadyate then phalam will come. For all this is for ajnani. Ajnyaha tu kritam prapadyate. Whatever he does, he will attain. But for jnani, swatmadrishaha, see samasa vigraha is given in tika. स्वे स्वरूपे ब्रह्मणि एव आत्मदृष्टिर् यस्य स स्वात्मदृक्. स्वे स्वरूपे ब्रह्मणि एव आत्मदृष्टिर् यस्य. The one whose atmadrishti is in Brahma, he is swatmadrik. Swatmanam pashyati or drishyate iti swatmadrik. Tasya swatmadrishaha shashti. So Brahmani eva atmadrishti. Main thing is samasa vigraha is okay, but Brahmani atmadrishti means aham is not put in deha, indriya, prana. Aham is in Brahma. Aham Brahma asmi. Aham dehosmi, manushyoasmi, purushosmi. That buddhi is wrong. Aham Brahma asmi. So even when we are by ourselves, in particular those who are serious sadhakas, for them, when I am not surrounded by people, when there is no vyavahara, I myself have not entertained any sankalpas. At that time, Brahmakar Vritti can be easily entertained, easily maintained. No need of disturbing this thought process. स्वे स्वरूपे ब्रह्मणि एव आत्मदृष्टिर्यस्य स स्वात्मदृक् तस्य स्वात्मदृशः इति विग्रहः। यदा सर्वे प्रमुच्यन्ते कामा यस्य हृदि श्रिताः अथ मर्त्यो अमृतो भवति अत्र ब्रह्म समश्नुते इति श्रुतेः। When all the kamas means desires, because where are they rooted? हृदि श्रिताः कामाः। ये अस्य साधकस्य हृदि श्रिताः कामाः। So antakaranam is the locus of desire. Sarve yada pramuchyante, when all of them they go away. Much dhatu muchyante. When the desires go away, then he becomes immortal. So desirelessness is moksha, is immortality. हृदयाः कामाः हृदयाध्यासबाधनेन बाधिताः सन्तः यदा प्रकर्षेण मुच्यन्ते तदा प्रवृत्ति बीजाभावात् स्वात्मसंस्थ आत्मा अमृतः मुक्त संसार बंधनो भवति इत्यर्थः। हृदयाः, what is the sutra there?
अचोरहाभ्यां द्वे।
No. Achurahapyam. There is no ra or ha. No, this is that Nyaya, that sutra.
धर्म धर्मपत्यर्थन्यायाननपेते।
But there only these are there. There is some other sutra we need there. I'll check and let you know next time. हृदयाः कामाः हृदयाध्यासबाधनेन बाधिताः सन्तः। When adhyasa badha takes place, then the kamana also become badhita. Hridayadhyasa badhanena badhitaha santaha yada prakarshena mujyante, when they go for good. Tada pravritti bija bhavat swatma samsthaha, then pravritti bija is ajnanam, ajnana abhavat swatma samsthaha. Now he is swatma samsthitihi, atma darshanam, sitting in one's own self. Swe mahimni pratishtitah. Atma samsthaha, atma amritaha, mukta samsara bandhano bhavati. He is free from all samsara bandhana. He is immortal. So I myself will recognize my immortality with this desirelessness and adhyasa badha should take place. Om पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति।